Today, we are making Korean seaweed soup. It is must for birthday and appetite bars. Simple, healthy, and really delicious. Let's get started. Soak the dried seaweed in water. It may look small, but it expands a lot, so stick to the right amount. After soaking for 15 minutes, rinse the seaweed well. It is salty, so rinse it 2 to 3 times in clean water. Make sure to squeeze out of water as you rinse. Now, cut the seaweed into small pieces. It will expand more as it cooks. Now, prep the beef. Do not cut it too big, just keep it small for flavor. That's it. Easy, right? Now, let's start cooking. Heat the pan at low to medium low and add the sesame oil. Sesame oil burns easily, so do not use high heat. Now, stir fry the seaweed. This is the most important step. The longer you cook, the better it tastes. At least 5 minutes. Once the seaweed is ready, add the beef and cook together. Break it up so it does not clump. Once the beef is no longer red, add soup soy sauce and stir. This season the meat and seaweed. Already looks good. Transfer the seaweed and beef to a pot. Add 2,500 ml of water and bring it to a boil. Add fish sauce and salt. Once it boils, lower to medium and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it is done. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. If it is too salty, add a little water. If it is bland, adjust with soy sauce only, not salt or fish sauce, or you will lose the original flavor. Now it is ready to eat. Enjoy!
This is really good. So clean and comforting.